Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Rowena Guntayon, 34 years old, married with one child. I am a high school graduate. About my working experience, I work as a domestic helper in UAE and Hong Kong. My duties and responsibilities are marketing, washing clothes, ironing, taking care of children.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Rowena. How are you right now?
Sir, Madam, I'm fine.
Okay, what are the advantages of the employers if ever they will hire you?
Sir, Madam, it must be patient, humble, hardworking, flexible.
Okay, so do you know how to cook basic Chinese dishes?
Sir, Madam, I know how to cook simple Chinese dishes like steamed fish, fried pork, chicken curry, soup, and fried fish.
Okay, so can you tell me the proper way in how to take care of the children?
Sir, Madam, the proper way of taking care of children are by giving them food, vitamins, give them a bath, love them as my own.
Okay, so what if you commit a mistake, what will you do?
Sir, Madam, I will say sorry and not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, Madam, please do hire me because I need this job to my family. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Rowena, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.